Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of social studies. Today, we will complete our chapter 9, economics, by covering up the topics: the role of State Bank of Pakistan, the economic system of Pakistan, and how does the government use money on page number 82, 83, 84. Again, reading is advised before listening to the lesson for better understanding. Have you ever heard the name of State Bank of Pakistan? I hope that many of you have read its name on the currency notes that we use in our daily lives, and if you haven't, I advise you to take out any note and check its name there. So what is State Bank of Pakistan? It was established on July 1st, 1948, means just after the year of Pakistan's establishment. The head office of State Bank is in Karachi. However, it has branches in almost all the major cities of Pakistan. The first task of State Bank was to establish the banking system for the newborn country to help it establishing its economy. State Bank announces monetary policy which controls all the banks. Now let us discuss what is the role of State Bank of Pakistan in today's economy. It controls the supply of money in the country. Only State Bank has the authority to issue currency notes. It is responsible for transferring government funds at international level. It is responsible for developing banking systems in the country. State Bank provides loans to commercial banks in times of need. It is responsible for the payment of salaries and pensions to the old government employees. It manages foreign exchange. It provides training facility for bankers. It maintains relations with international financial institutions like the World Bank or IMF. Do you know, Pakistan is the 43rd largest economy in the world with a GDP rate of 284 billion US dollars. Gross domestic product GDP is the way to measure the total value of goods and services produced in the year. Pakistani economic system has three main sectors: the fiscal sector, the monetary sector, the external sector. The fiscal sector deals with generating resources through taxes and their expenditure through budget. The Ministry of Finance is responsible for these functions. The monetary sector is responsible for money matters and the functioning of banks. And the external sector deals with trade, foreign exchange, and investment. Do you know that banks, insurance companies, telecommunication companies, information technology, and other road transport sector contributes 55.6% to the country's economy? Agricultural sector contributes up to 25.2%, and the industrial sector contributes up to 19.2% to the country's economy. How does the government use money? Federal and provincial governments are responsible for running hospitals, schools, colleges, universities, libraries, or other welfare organizations who help children, orphans, handicapped people, or other needy people. Funds in Pakistan are collected by FBR, Federal Board of Revenue, in forms of taxes and then further distributed in the governments. Who pays the tax? The residents of the country are bound to pay the tax on their incomes, on their business profits, or to the added cost of some goods, products, and services. For example, when you go for lunch or dinner, you pay the amount of tax with the amount of food. As as well you buy any product from the market, if you see the detailed pricing of that product, you will see that the actual price is written above, and the very next GST, general sale tax, is added before giving the product in the local market to us. So we are bound to pay taxes. We pay tax to the government, and government utilizes it on us. Government also raises money through foreign loans, and federal government is bound to return those loans. Other resources are earned through exporting goods to other countries and by the money that the overseas Pakistanis send in Pakistan. Alright, so now we will be ending this chapter by doing question number 7, 9, and 11 of page number 84 and by filling the blanks on page number 85. Good luck, see you again.